What's up guys, this is Mohammed, and this video is a quick unboxing of the Moza Aircross 2. Is this Moza or Moza? Is this one of those secret T words like Forza or pizza? I'm gonna say Moza. Moza Aircross 2. Let's unbox it. So inside is another case like this. I'll put the original box aside. How does this open? I feel like this is a gimbal that's overlooked. It was released in August and August of last year. The Alpine white version came out during the height of the quarantine and the pandemic. But the really cool thing about this gimbal is that it only weighs 1 kilo, but it can hold up to 3.2 kilos. And for me, the most important thing is that it can handle my GH5 with the Sigma 18-35 with the Metabones Speed Booster Ultra. So that was very important to me. And by the way, this is the professional kit, they call it, which comes with the follow focus module as well. So let's open it. There we go. So I'll put it this way, I guess. I guess paperwork, that's important, or might be important, I don't know. So, this is a quick release plate. I think this is the Manfrotto one. All right. This is the gear, which works with the follow focus. Cool, cool. This little bag has all the different cables for different cameras. Cool. There's a warning thing there. Here's the L plate. The L plate. Here is the tripod, which feels really sturdy, feels nice. So I'll open that here. What's this? Oh, this is the phone holder. This kind of goes above the camera in the hot shoe, and you can mount your phone over it, and there's some functionalities that this gimbal has which works when you have your phone connected to it via the app. So cool. And here's the gimbal itself, which comes out like that, and boom, there you go. This feels nice. It's only 1 kilo, but it's heftier than you might think, just based on looking at it. So let me attach the tripod to it, which goes here. And boom. So you can hold it with both hands like this. You can leave it on the table like that. There you go. That's the Moza Aircross 2. Very cool. Very quickly, I will try to balance my camera on this rig and come back. So I had to let the battery charge for a few hours, but here is the Panasonic G9 with the Panasonic Leica 12-60, relatively well balanced on the Moza Aircross 2. Now this gimbal has an automatic balance check, which I will initiate right now. If you go into the menus, under advanced, there's a balance check, and it will check for all the axes except for the pan axis. and the pan axis can be difficult to balance for. Here's a quick tip for checking the balance of the pan axis. I've found that the inception mode is heavily reliant on the correct balance of the pan axis. So if you go into inception mode, which you can do by triple clicking the right button here, and then you initiate it, if it works perfectly, then the pan axis is well balanced. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to take a look at how you can balance the Panasonic GH5 with the Speed Booster and the Sigma 8235 on the Moza Aircross 2. So please subscribe to my channel for that video. But in the meantime, please leave a like on this video and go back and watch all my other videos. Till next time.